Jason Charles, who is a student of this school. Actually, I am feeling glad that my son is studying in this school because there is lot of improvement after joining this school. His communication, his reading, and the way he tells after he comes from the school to us about whatever they taught in the school. We feel very happy. Actually, he enjoys learning in the school. We also enjoy when he shares all with whatever they taught in the school and the way they are teaching in the school. I think he is having fun with the teachers. We also feel proud that he is learning and enjoying whatever each and every parent wants. The kids of them, they have to more enjoy and also learn parallelly. So we have already reached we are satisfied and we are feeling very happy, more than satisfied. The principal ma'am is, I think, she is guiding them all very nice. Otherwise it could not happen. I know she is the main hard work behind all this. Thank you.
Rainbow Schools చాలా సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్గా ఉంది మాకు ఇక్కడ. డ్యాన్స్, యోగా అండ్ కరాటే అన్నిటితో పాటు చదువులో కూడా చాలా బాగా ఇంప్రూవ్ అయింది పాప. చాలా యాక్టివ్గా, మెయిన్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ హిందీ అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ బాగా ఇంప్రూవ్ అయ్యింది. ఫంక్షన్స్, స్కూల్ డే, యాన్యువల్ డేస్ అన్నీ చాలా యాక్టివ్గా చేస్తుంది పాప. చాలా ప్రతి ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ఈవెంట్లో కూడా తను లోపల ఉండే స్కిల్ అంతా బయటికి వచ్చింది. వీఆర్ వెరీ సాటిస్ఫైడ్ విత్ రెయిన్బో స్కూల్స్.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya. This is my son, T. Kushan, studying in class in Akapur branch. My suggestion for this is to improve co-curricular activities and have sports and tournaments possible.
Grade 2 in Rainbow Public School. He secured very good marks in annual examinations. He improved a lot. When we started schooling in this school, he doesn't know anything. Now he is able to recognize all the things and pronounce English very well and teaches and everything. Communication skills are improving a lot. We need more to elaborate more things regarding career. That's it.
PP1 class, my class teacher name is Shilvi ma'am and Prashanti ma'am. My principal name is Aisha ma'am. Thank you.
हम लोगों को स्कूल बहुत अच्छा लगा. फर्स्ट टाइम हमने बच्चों को डाला है. PP1 में है हमारे बच्चे. दोनों भी बच्चे मेरे इसी स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, रेनबो में. शिवली मैडम ने बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाया दोनों को भी. प्रशांति मैडम ने भी बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रखा बच्चों का. और प्रिंसिपल मैडम भी बहुत अच्छी है. जो उनका मैनेजमेंट है वो भी बहुत अच्छे से होता है. यहाँ की एक्टिविटी और अदर जो फंक्शंस रहते हैं वो भी अच्छे से होते हैं.
So I would like to take the opportunity to thank the Rainbow School management and especially Principal Ma'am and Rahul sir. Earlier my son he's not that enthusiastic in terms of he used to be very good at studies, but he was not enthusiastic for the other activities like dance and other curricular activities. But the way that he performed in an annual day function, I was very impressed. And academics, and he stood at second. I'm really very happy, thanks to the management and principal.
जब ज्वाइन ही तब इतना आपके आने के बाद, स्पेशली मैम आयशा फातिमा मैम आने के बाद बहुत सारे चेंजेस हैं. आई एम रियली हैप्पी. और इनफैक्ट बच्चों में भी बहुत चेंजेस, ओवरऑल मैनेजमेंट, स्कूल वाइज एवरीथिंग, बहुत सारे चीज़ें अच्छा लगे. एवरीथिंग इज पॉजिटिव. थोड़ा नेगेटिव बोलने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं. द स्कूल इज ग्रोइंग.
చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉందండి రెయిన్బో స్కూల్ నుంచి. నేను ఫస్ట్ బాబు వేసినప్పుడు కొంచెం భయపడ్డాను. బాబు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ కొంచెం మాట్లాడడానికి కొంచెం స్లోగా మాట్లాడతారు. అందులోకి వెళ్ళి బాబు స్కూల్లో వేసినప్పటి నుంచి బాగా పికప్ అయింది. తెలుగు మాట్లాడడం కానీ అవన్నీ చేయడం కానీ చాలా బాగా అయింది. ఆ తర్వాత బాగా మాట్లాడడం కాకుండా ఆ తర్వాత మన స్కూల్లో ర్యాంకులు ఇవ్వడం అనేది చాలా నాకైతే అది చాలా ప్లస్ అనిపించింది. లాస్ట్ టైం సెకండ్ ర్యాంక్ వచ్చింది, ఈసారి థర్డ్ ర్యాంక్ వచ్చింది, చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. అసలు ర్యాంక్ ఈజ్ నాట్ మ్యాటర్, బట్ నా కొడుకు మాట్లాడాడు లైట్గా లిటిల్ బిట్ మాటల్లో స్ట్రగల్ అయినప్పుడు కూడా మాటలు మంచిగా మాట్లాడి స్కూల్లో టాప్ రావడం నాకైతే చాలా హ్యాపీ. ప్రిన్సిపల్ మ్యామ్తో చాలా హ్యాపీ, క్లాస్ టీచర్తో చాలా హ్యాపీ. నేను కొంచెం ఫైట్ చేసి నా కొడుకు మంచి ర్యాంక్ తీసుకొచ్చాను.
I am Pooja, Jyothi's mom. My daughter here is in nursery. So recently she missed her 6 months of schooling here, and with lot of principal support, she was joined back with admission form again. So I'm very thankful to Rainbow School, and I'm looking forward for another wonderful year with Rainbow here in LKG. And also the annual day function, I was really impressed. I didn't think that we go to the that heights. The level of conducting the annual day event was really amazing. Only because of the annual day function that gave me a good impression about the school. So I was like more impressed to continue Dhriti to the school, and I didn't look out for other schools. Prior to this, I had something in my mind. I was planning for another school or anything, but after meeting especially principal ma'am with lot of her support, and also the class teacher is very supportive here, Chaitanya ma'am, and the annual day function was so amazing. It was a super duper hit. So I would definitely recommend Rainbow Schools, which is in Attapur, and working woman, like I work in Amazon, and even my husband works, so we both are working. So I didn't much look into her academics. I do not find time with my 2 kids. I don't find time. So I did not put her into any tuitions or anything. It was whole and soul the class teacher's efforts, and she is every time securing second and third, which is really appreciable, because in spite of not attending a 6 months attendance also, my Dhriti is doing this good. So my family is impressed. Actually, after seeing her scoring and all, even my family was very impressed. So thank you so much. I would definitely give a heads up to Rainbow Schools in Attapur. So do join your children here. Thank you.
Uncle of Kanishka and Neha Sharma. Kanishka is from 4th and Neha is from 2nd. They could have done better, but nonetheless they've secured ranks. So I'm very happy that they have. Their hard work has really paid off, and thanks to all the support they have received from teachers and especially principal for motivating them throughout the academic career.
Auto school and principal class teachers को एक्चुअली मैं बहुत हैप्पी हूँ कि मेरी बेटी इस स्कूल में पढ़ रही है. थैंक यू प्रिंसिपल मैम, थैंक यू क्लास टीचर.
बहुत अच्छा है, मेरी बेटी बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है जब स्कूल में एडमिशन हुआ है. ये बहुत थोड़ी कम वो थी एक्टिव, स्कूल में आने के बाद वजह की बहुत अच्छी स्कूल है. मेरी बेटी जब से इसमें एडमिशन कराया है, मेरी बच्ची को बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है. पहले ये बिल्कुल बोलती नहीं थी, अब बहुत ज़्यादा बोलती है. स्कूल आने पर खुश भी रहती. सारे स्टाफ, टीचर्स, प्रिंसिपल सारे बहुत अच्छे हैं. वेरी गुड स्कूल. आप अपनी बच्ची का आगे इसी में एजुकेशन कंटिन्यू रखेंगे.
Supporting my daughter for giving a wonderful and quality education in Rainbow. So we are happy to join my daughter here. So we are continuing my daughter in next levels here.
तो परफेक्ट है, अच्छा है, एजुकेशन भी अच्छे बोल रहे हैं, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. कोई भी आ सकते हैं, बच्चे को पढ़ा सकते हैं. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
They are such a very good teachers and hard working, very gentle and peace voice. Everything is all right, ma'am. I feel so happy and very good feedback to all.
Ma'am and sir, like previously when he was new to the school, and he was not that much like a bright student, I would say. So, and as you know that like he was shifted from like other branch due to his mom was again being blessed with a baby. So for that reason I see there's a lot of improvement, because even we were not able to give enough time to him, because as you know that like I would be working in corporate, so I would not get that much time. And along with that, my mom, his grandmom, she is not like well educated. So for that reason, like whatever rank is securing and whatever academics results we see, so that is purely based on the like staff and teachers, I would say. Yeah. He's doing good, and we are looking forward to continue this year also here. So let's hope for that.
Thank you. Ramya here.
మా బాబుని రెయిన్బో ప్రైమరీ స్కూల్కి పంపిస్తున్నాము. యాక్చువల్లీ తను చాలా నాటీ, బట్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాక డిసిప్లిన్గా చాలా బాగున్నాడు. అండ్ టీచర్స్ ఆల్సో చాలా బాగా చూసుకుంటున్నారు వాళ్ళ పిల్లల్ని. అండ్ మా సెకండ్ చైల్డ్ కూడా ఉంది, ఇదే స్కూల్కి పంపిద్దామని అనుకుంటున్నాను. అండ్ తను యాక్చువల్లీ పెన్తో కూడా రాయకపోతుండే. హీఈస్ నౌ 5 years, బట్ హీఈస్ ఏబుల్ టు రైట్ in his with his own hands. Now he is good. I am so proud of this.
Good afternoon, everyone. Principal ma'am and all the teachers of Rainbow School. Rainbow School is a wonderful school, one of the top schools I've ever met in Attapur. And I wish Aisha the best of luck in her life. That's running the school. She's really running the school very well. All the teachers are very supportive and all very good in helping the children out in their exams, in their studies. And today, because of the teachers and the principal, my son has come second in the class, and I really wish them best of luck and may the school turn one of the best schools, or like an international school in Attapur. Thank you, Aisha. You're the best.
Thank you.
And you'll always be the best. And we have lovely teachers and really good and loving teachers, and principal also very loving. Thank you, ma'am. Thank